Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to save TikTok draft video in gallery without posting. So guys, this is quite easy to do, so let's get started with the process. Now the first step to take is to of course open your TikTok app, and after that you have to create a video and then save it as draft. So let's click on the plus icon at the bottom of our screen to record a video. Now once you're done recording your video, the next thing is to click on this button at the bottom, and then you have to add some effects or text or sticker or sound to your video if you like, and then click on the next button at the bottom, and then you have this option to save your video as draft at the bottom. Now click on that, then you have your video saved as draft for you. Now let me show you how you can download or save these TikTok draft video in gallery without posting on TikTok. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to open my draft again, and now if I want to save these, I'll first of all check this button, this save to device button, and then I'll have to click on this who can watch this video. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to set that to be only me, and then I'll click on the confirm button, and once I do that, I'm going to have to click on post.
Do you know the way this man creep is?
Now after clicking on that, it will be saved. Now my video has been saved. Now I'll just go back and go to my gallery and show you. Right, here's it. Here's the video. Now I've saved it on my device, and it wasn't posted on TikTok. So guys, this is how to save TikTok draft video in gallery without posting. Hope this video was helpful. If you think it was, give this video a like, and please subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.